UTKARSH ASTHANA'S hub, the Wondertainment Zone. Do you know what will happen if a needle traveling at the speed of light collides with Earth? Hey guys, this is UTKARSH M Dollurix and you're watching Hub Do You Know Season 1 Episode 5. So in this fifth part of Hub Do You Know series on my channel, Hub the Wondertainment Zone, I am going to talk about that what would happen if a needle traveling with the speed of light collides with our planet Earth. Though this whole scenario is hypothetical, but then also we will unravel the cause and also will understand that what impact would this small needle cause to Earth if it collides with it with the speed of light. Let's see it in this today's fifth part of Do You Know Season 1. Let's just do this and let's just dive into this hypothetical scenario explanation. If ever this hypothetical and theoretical scenario becomes a reality, then if a needle traveling with the speed of light collides with the Earth, then this collision will produce strong shockwaves which would further cause mighty earthquakes and strong volcanic eruptions. Also, huge amounts of dust and debris will start floating in the atmosphere, which would cause huge typhoons, tsunamis, and horrendous winds. Because that day would be a nightmare for the whole Earth, which would also cause its eventual destruction. And the long-lasting effect of this collision of high-speed needle with Earth will cause nuclear winters to begin on Earth, which would produce spine-chilling cold winds, which would be a gift of this collision to the Earthlings, a very deadly gift indeed, not one which even anyone would want to receive, but that is how it is. Also, this collision of the high-speed nail with Earth can cause the loss of gravity as a long-lasting effect of this adverse hypothetical scenario. Also, if this thing ever happens, if a high-speed nail ever hits the Earth with the speed of light, then this will also adversely affect the life living on Earth and also the geomagnetic core of the Earth, for sure. If the needle travels at an astonishing speed of 2,99,792 kilometers per second, then theoretically and hypothetically it will evaporate everything which comes in its path. Even the mighty Earth will have to face adverse consequences if this needle ever hits and collides with the Earth at a speed greater than or equal to that of light. If this hypothetical and theoretical scenario ever becomes a reality, God forbid, then that day would prove to be the day of extinction of life on Earth, for sure. And also, it will lead to the eventual destruction of the mighty Earth itself. In a scientific way, if you understand the same needle vaporization process, then it is that if any object, suppose it is a needle itself, which travels at a speed greater than or equal to that of light and collides with the Earth, then it would itself become a plasma, releasing high amounts of energy which would further turn into vapors. So this is how science explains this needle vaporization process as. By the way, the speed which we have chosen right here to explain the needle vaporization process to you guys, which is 2,99,792 kilometers per second. This speed is the speed of light in vacuum, or it is also known as the cosmic speed, on which if any object travels, be it a needle itself, and then it hits the Earth with this speed, then for sure that can cause devastating destruction to Earth and the life on Earth, meaning the Earthlings. and it can also prove to be the real reason for the extinction of life on Earth. If ever this hypothetical and theoretical scenario becomes a reality, it will really prove to be nightmarish, disastrous, and deadly for us only. So, to conclude this How Do You Know Season 1 Episode 5, I would just say that if ever a needle traveling with the speed of light, which is 2,99,792 km per second, if ever a needle traveling with this speed hits or collides with the earth, then that would for sure prove to be disastrous and deadly. And so, let's just think that this hypothetical and theoretical scenario and possibility never becomes a reality, because that only would be good and beneficial for us, because if ever by chance even this happens, then that can for sure prove to be deadly, as any object, be it a needle itself, travels and collides with the earth at this massive speed, then that would smash the earth into smithereens. Yeah, you heard me very right, smithereens. It would be that disastrous and devastating for the earth, you see. So let's just pray that it doesn't ever happen. Never ever. Because if it ever happens, then that would be the last day of life on earth for sure. And that would also prove to be the reason of eventual destruction of earth for sure. So let's just pray that it never ever happens in reality. So this is it. Hope you guys liked How Do You Know Season 1 Episode 5 on this hypothetical and theoretical scenario of a needle traveling with the speed of light hitting or colliding with the earth. Hope you guys liked it. If really, then do please click on like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned on Hub the Wondertainment Zone for more amazing, wondertaining Hub videos just like this one. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram handle UTKARSH Hub.co_Insta for amazing, wondertaining, and next level intuitive sneak peeks and technical insights of our upcoming Hub videos on our YouTube channel UTKARSH Hub the Wondertainment Zone. So this is all for this yet another wondertaining, curiosity-full Hub video, which is the Season 1 Episode 5 of Do You Know series on my channel Hub the Wondertainment Zone. Hope you guys liked it. This is UTKARSH M signing off. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and adios. Yo! Thanks for watching. Thanks. Follow us on our Instagram handle UTKARSH Hub.co_Insta for amazing, wondertaining, and intuitive technical insights and sneak peeks of our upcoming Hub videos on our YouTube channel UTKARSH Hub, the Wondertainment Zone. Download the software Hub app today.